Let me show you how to add text behind images or objects in Photoshop. I will bring in the image I'll be using for this tutorial. I will start by cropping out the image to make it more bolder. We need to separate the subject from the background, and that's what I'll be doing right now. Press Ctrl J to create a layer mask. Choose the background layer and then you can proceed to writing your text. And so that is how you can create a text behind any image or object. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.